Hello friends, my name is Madhusudan. By profession, I'm a mechanical engineer and an urban farmer. I grow many vegetables and I'm in stock market from past 2008. This is about myself before me getting into any of the stock market related or financial related discussions. Over the past few years, I have been using many of the parameters as shown in the screen right now, like 52 by week high by low, or whether the company is doing a good profit, P&L ratio, dividend, whether it is paying dividend or not, identifying the base price, shareholding pattern, 50 DMA to 200 DMA, current market price to 124 DMA. So using some of these parameters, I have been identifying stocks which can be bought at a lower price and then we can make good profit. Likewise, I had identified one stock on 6th of this month. That was CCL, and then I bought it at 570.9. And I had in my mind it should be a 6% profit for me, and then I will move out of that. So, accordingly, today I saw that it is already in 615, above 615, and the target is achieved. So basically, what I'm trying to say here is I will try to teach you all these parameters, how to find, where to find, and some other stock market related beautiful methodologies that you can utilize. Thank you for watching.